बोली जाने हिंदी एन सुदीप देव द्वारा प्रस्तुति spoken Hindi presentation by N Sudeep Dev in session basics. So in session basics, like session 1, session 2 going on, we will complete our spoken Hindi, and in within 30 days or 60 days you will be able to speak in Hindi. So for starting this spoken Hindi, we want to first learn the basics. So that basics are what? May, I am, you, who, she, that. So this like all words, some words are there. These are the basic words which are in Hindi. So for English basic words are there, for Hindi basic words are there, for Tamil basic words are there. So in this we going to read Hindi basic spoken Hindi. So बोले गया हिंदी शब्द मूल. Spoken Hindi words basics. मैं हूँ. So in English, I am, we are, you are, for your parents or for your dadi or for your dada, so that you will give a respect. But in English, you are. So English, you will use the same words for your dada dadi or your parents or your friends and for all. But in Hindi and Tamil, there are separate words to give the respect to the elders and to give the respect to the friends and to give respect to the family members. So when you are going to say you are for your dada, dadi or your parents or someone elders, you will use aap hain. Or when you going to say your friends, or when you going to use with your family members like your brother, sister, you will use in an informal way tum ho. So tum ho and aap hain, these are the formal and informal. So now we going to learn from I am, we are, you are, he, she, this is, he, she, that is, these, they are, those, they are. Let's go into the session. Spoken Hindi words basics. May, hey, main, whom. So for your reference, in Hindi also it is given. So for your easiness to read the Hindi words, it is given in English also. So by seeing English also you can read. May, who, main, whom. Main, who means I am. When you going to introduce you with your name or with your occupation, you will use may, who in Hindi. So I will say your name to you. Then I should use this word to convey my name to you. So I will convey now. I am N Sudeep Dev. This is in English. So I conveyed my name to you in English. Now I going to convey my name in Hindi to you. May who N Sudeep Dev. May Red Hills, Kolattur, or whichever the place where you are living, you can specify there and living there. That like you can convey your name, your place and your details. So may who N Sudeep Dev. This the way you want to convey your name or your details for someone else by using these word may whom. Next we going to hum hain. Hum hain are saying or conveying to someone or someone else, not individually, by a group. So we are the group. We are the group. So for saying this, like hum hai a group, hum a group, this like you can say hum a, it conveys the group of peoples. So when you are alone you can use may whom. When you are with a group, when you are with many people, you can use hum a. Hum hai Tirupati chalte. So we are going to Tirupati. This like you can convey the group going to Tirupati. So in English, this is the way to convey, and in Hindi you want to say hum hai chalo Tirupati chalo. So I think you can understand. So let's take some break, and to continue the spoken Hindi words basics, we want to hear this video. Come, let's hear. Tu hai, tu hai, tu hai. Tu hai is intimate. So you are saying a normal person or a third person, you are. So you are not giving a respect, and you are casually saying you are. So for casually saying you are, you will use tu hai. Next, tum ho. This is informal. Tum ho is informal. This tum ho is used to convey to your friends or to your sister, to your behan or to your bai, like brother, sister. You will use a informal way to convey some whatever you want to convey to them. You will use an informal way. For this informal way, you will use you are in a sentence like tum ho. And to give respect for elders and saying you are in a formal way, you will use aap a. Aap a. To say in an informal way, you are using you are, and to say in a formal way, aap a. So this is the respect. Informal, formal, two types. So next we going to learn yah hai. Yah hai. Yah hai conveys he, she, this is. So to say he, she and this is, you will use this yah a. And vah a. Yah a is somewhat here, and vah a is somewhat there. So this only we learn this. In English you see this is, here it is, so near it is, so you are using this is. But if it is very long, you will use that is. So that yah a is used for nearly things, this is, and vah a is used for that is, and also vah a is used for he, she, convey a person standing in a long distance, and vah a also to convey something to the persons nearer. So for the both thing, you are using he, she. In this no changes. Next we going to learn yah ain. Yah ain. Yah ain. Ye hain. So these they are. Ye hain means these they are. So ye hain means this they are. These means only in some singular form, and they are for both a and a he. You are using they are, but in a he it is these, in we he it is those. So to convey these you are saying a he, and to convey those you are using we he. And a he is also nearer and we he is also longer. So for both in English they are is used. Thank you. This session was informative to you, I think. Let's meet in the next session. Let's learn Hindi. आओ हिंदी सीखो. Thank you. Bye bye. Subscribe to our channel and like, share, comment to our video.